We've all been in that situation where we want someone to think about you, miss you when you're not around, and crave for your presence. But here's the deal. There are subtle ways you can use psychology to get her thinking about you even when you're not together. In today's episode, we're going to talk about 10 psychological tricks to make her miss you. So stick around because I got some powerful tricks. Hey guys, welcome back to Chat with Olivera, where we discuss all things about love, relationship, and lots more. Subscribe if you haven't done that yet. So now let's get down to the video. Now let's start with tip number 1. Create positive associations. When you're with her, create experiences that feel good. Psychologically, people miss the emotions they feel when they are with someone, not just the person themselves. So when you're spending time together, focus on doing things that will make her happy, laugh, and feel special. The more positive emotions she associates with you, the more she will miss you when you're not around. Now, let's look at tip 2. Keep a little mystery. One of the classic psychological tricks is to keep an air of mystery. Don't be too available, even though we talk about emotional availability. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. When there is more for her to learn about you, her curiosity will keep her thinking about you. Let her know you on a gradual pace so she craves for your time and attention. Tip 3. Give her space. Here's a big one that a lot of people get wrong. Absence truly makes the heart fonder, as proven psychologically. So if you are constantly texting or seeing her every day, there is no room for her to miss you. Take a step back and give her little space to reflect on how much she enjoys being with you. And trust me, she'll be wondering why she hasn't heard from you and start missing your presence. But don't do too much, okay? If you don't want to kill that initial attraction. Moving on to tip 4. Be unpredictable, but in a good way. Now, I'm not talking about mind games here, but psychology tells us that a little unpredictability can be more intriguing. Switch things up. Sometimes send her a cute message out of the blue, and other times take a little longer to respond. I know some ladies might not like me giving these tips, but hey ladies, I got you covered. When you do this, you keep her guessing and engaged, and she will wonder what she will do next. Tip 5. Create a signature gesture. Now, this one is fun. Psychology shows that people remember and miss little things that make them stand out. Whether it's a nickname only you use for her, a sweet goodnight message, which is actually underrated. It's amazing how that is underrated. Or a specific way you hug her. These small personal gestures become something she will associate with you. And when you're not with her, she will miss those moments. Let's look at tip 6. Be fully present when you're together. Now, this might sound obvious, but it's often overlooked. When you're with her, put down your phone. Make eye contact and listen to her. People miss those who make them feel heard and valued. psychologically strong. Being present in your time together will leave a lasting impression, and she will think about how great she feels when you're around. Next, tip 7. Show confidence, but don't be needy. Confidence is super attractive, and psychologically, people are drawn to those who seem secure in themselves. But if you're constantly seeking reassurance from her or acting too eager, it can push her away. On the other side, when you are calm, confident, and assured, she will miss that energy when you're not around. Tip 8. Leave her wanting more. Always end your time together or your conversations on a high note. Don't drag things out until they become boring. Psychology tells us that people tend to remember the last part of an experience the most. So if you conclude your time together or your conversations on phone respectfully though, while she's enjoying herself, she will leave with a desire for more, which makes her miss you. Now, tip 9. Stay busy with your own life. One of the biggest psychological tricks to make her miss you is to show that you have a full and exciting life outside her. When you're busy and passionate about your own goals, hobbies, and friends, it makes you attractive and interesting. Plus, when you're not constantly available, it creates space for her to miss you. Now for the final tip, which is tip 10. Trigger emotional memories. This is a powerful psychological trick. Every now and then, bring up something you both enjoy together, like a fun date, a shared joke, or a moment that was special. When you remind her of those positive memories, you trigger those same emotions she felt during those times in her mind, making her miss the moment and time you spent together. So there you have it. The bottom line is, if you want her to miss you, it's all about using psychology to create a balance between showing her a great time and giving her space to appreciate it. You don't need playing mind games. But by being present, confident, and a little mysterious, will keep her thinking about you long after you've left. Remember, it's not about being in her face. It's about leaving a lasting impact. So if you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more relationship advice like this. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Is space the key to making someone miss you, or something else? Let me know in the comment section. See you on my next video. I'm still your girl, Olivera. Thanks for watching. Bye.